how to change payment account on Google Play Store. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you will be able to change your payment account on Google Play Store. So first of all, just open Play Store, and after that just click on the profile icon at the top right corner, and from there just click on the payments and subscriptions, and now just click on payment methods. So as you can see that I don't have any payment method attached to my Google Play Store as of now. So in order to change the payment method on your Play Store, you have to have a payment method attached to your Play Store first of all. And if you don't have that, you can go ahead and add your account through your credit or debit card or your Paytm wallet or net banking or UPI or any other method that you would like to select. And if you want to change that particular payment method, all you have to do is just change the Google account already while clicking on the profile icon at the top right, and click on the Google accounts and just select the account you want to choose and click on that. So this is how you will be able to change your payment account on Google Play Store. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.